Hey friends, this is Wayne over at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Hey, we sent a gentleman some replacement locking units. And basically this is the forts that have been used since 2005. And here we have our Timken hubs. So, you got all these gears. You got this O-ring, you got the plastic cap, and you've got all these gizmos. So just by looking at something like that, it tells me that, you know what? Things need to line up, probably going to be a little bit snug, good machining, didn't do this on tailgate of a pickup with a carbide grinder, and look at those splines in there. So, let's use all the tricks we know to help us out. Number one, we'd like to have this in a free mode so some of these things can turn and move around. We're trying to line up all this stuff and get it in here. The other thing is my daddy, he was a petroleum engineer. He used to tell me, lube that shit up, it'll work better. I never did. I thought he was ignorant. Sprayed me a little WD-40 down off in there. They fit snug. These gears have tight clearances, but it's beautiful. That's why it feels so good when you push them down. Push that bad boy on down, turn the cap, line it up, and it kind of stops right there. If you'll notice, it kind of stops. Gently give it some pressure. This is the kind of things that tell you that, well, people in the know and stuff, this is the kind of green flags that we get like, man, this is some badass machine work. There you go. A little bit of light pressure down on that O-ring and it's seated, and you just put in your 3 Phillips head screws. Once again, I ain't got any practice. I'm just doing this didn't try to fit nothing. Throw in some lube. He's in the free mode. Gonna throw a tiny bit of lube on him. Line him up. Uh-oh, there he goes. He's going on down. Gonna rotate the cap. There we go. Gently push down on a broad surface area, not that. And there you go. You've got hub seated, ready for screws. God bless you, God bless America, and happy hubbing. Bye.